Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to see the floor plan in the size of 31 feet by 41 feet. Total plot area is 1,315 square feet and the built-up area is 855 square feet. This is single floor, 1 BHK house plan with car parking facility. Road is available in the north side. Northeast corner, there is a space for portico cum car parking area in the size of 10 feet 6 inch by 22 feet. Main gate is available in the northeast corner. While entering the main door, there is a hall in the size of 17 feet by 11 feet. In the corner, you can place a L-type sofa and then TV on the staircase wall. Uh, this staircase is available inside of the house in the western direction, in the clockwise. Small passage is there in front of the staircase in the size of 5 feet 6 inch by 7 feet. And then kitchen is available in the southeast corner. As per Vastu, making kitchen in the southeast corner is the first option. Kitchen size is 10 feet by 8 feet 3 inches. Sorry, 8 feet 6 inches. And stove and sink in the east wall. Sink we kept in the northeast corner and sunk in the east wall. Which is available in the west or southeast corner. And then nearby kitchen in the eastern side, there is a dining attached nearby kitchen in the size of 10 feet by 8 feet. And then a small storeroom is available in the mid of the uh, near the kitchen, the size of 4 feet by 4 feet. And then Pooja room is available in the nearby the store, in the size of 4 feet by 3 feet. Here, God idols we can keep in the west wall so that God idols will face the eastern side. And then master bedroom is available in the southwest corner and the size of 11 feet by 17 feet. And then bed we can we kept in the south side so that while sleeping our head will face our head we kept on the southern side which is good as the vastu. And then normally wardrobe we will keep in south or west side. Here we kept in the western part. And then attached toilet is available nearby master bedroom in the size of 4 feet by 5 feet. And commode we kept in the southeast side. So this is a small 1 BHK house plan, north facing plan. So like this, if you need any uh, house plans according to your plot size, you can check out our website www.houseplansdaily.com and our store website www.houseplans.world. Uh, Also, our apps are available in the Google Play Store. House plans and designs, house designs and plans, plan list and design list. Check and install it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If any of your friends and family looking for a house plan ideas, you can refer our website and apps. Please subscribe our channel and like, share, and comment. Thank you.